Welcome to the Flippin Hippos reseller channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the thumbs up. It helps us feed our hungry hippos. Today we're doing an unboxing. So the last two videos recently that I put out of unboxings were the last two boxes from the buyout I did late last year for my friend. There were 10 boxes in total. It was a huge order. Well, now I'm buying from another friend. I love to purchase items wholesale, whether it's from a website, ThreadUp, or doing a buyout on my friends. That's my business model, and that's what I love to do. I love to sit at home in my pajamas and have things delivered right to my doorstep, and then spend my time in my office comfortably photographing and listing stuff. Jeans is one of my favorite things to list. I know people think that's nuts, but I do have a type A personality, and I am diagnosed OCD and anxiety, and things that are meticulous, things that are repetitive, things that are doing the same task over and over again for me are very soothing. So I do enjoy the jeans. I can take a whole stack of jeans and measure each one and then photograph each one. Jewelry and plush are also pretty fun for me. They're not as repetitive, but they're still like the same thing over and over. And that's what I like. I would rather sit home and photograph and list and make videos and go out very rarely thrifting. I go out once a month, every month with my eBay, my local eBay meetup chapter. I am the chapter leader here, and I go with my friends once a month. And sometimes in the summer, we go just on the spur of the moment, more than once a month. Like if one of them texts the group and says there's a yard sale, there's a church sale, I'll go. But I prefer mostly to just stay in my own house, comfortably in my pajamas. When I'm not filming, my hair's in a messy bun, and I don't wear makeup. And I'm just enjoying my calm life, watching my true crimes, and doing my thing. Might not be for you, but that's why there's 50 million ways to do reselling, so that everybody can find a way that suits their life, their family, their business needs, their monetary needs, and their personalities and their lives, right? That was a much nicer way of saying what I said in last week's What Sold video, but it's very true. You just have to find what works for you and what you like doing and what makes you happy. So I got some jeans, which is why I brought up jeans. These are from a friend, a reselling friend. Hi, Lori, if you're watching. And she came across a deal where she can get bulk items for her to resell. Her business model is mostly doing whatnot shows and selling items off very quickly. So she buys a lot of wholesale, big bulk buys, so she can sell things off very quickly in her whatnot store. She also sells on eBay and other platforms, but I feel like Lori is really pivoted towards whatnot, and it's really working for her, and that's fantastic. So she's got an opportunity to get all of these jeans at approximately $1 to $2 a pair. From what I understand, they come as part of a package deal with other items, and she wants nothing to do with jeans. Lori doesn't like jeans. Lori doesn't want to measure jeans. Lori doesn't want to photograph. She just doesn't want to mess around with jeans at all. She actually probably loathes them, which is good for me because I love them. I guess in order for her to get the bulk buy that she's got this deal on, she has to take everything, and that includes the jeans. She's got more lined up in the future, so you may see me doing more unboxings from her. She's selling them to me at cost, so whatever she paid, $1, $2, plus shipping. We kept this box down to $30 shipping, and each pair in here was $1. So with shipping, they come out to about $2. There's some good jeans in here. I bought blind. I've known Lori for a lot of years. I've met her in real life. We're pretty close. Actually, we always call each other our sisters from another mister, and I trust her. So she's actually the one that sent me my new tripod that I film with for my short videos. She's just a really good friend. And when she says I got 28 pairs of jeans, do you want them for $28? I'll send you the money. I'll send you how much the shipping label cost. And then I just Zelle her and we're all good. So I bought them blind. I trust her. She kind of knows from over the years of watching my YouTubes and just knowing me what I like to sell. And listen, for $1 a pair, you can send me Walmart jeans. All right, these are $5.35 legging Levi's. Woo, these are good. In fact, let me pull out my jeans guide that I sell. It's available down below. It comes with a chapter book on learning jeans, the wash, how to determine style, men's from women's. It's got a whole bunch of chapters in there, all kinds of things to learn about jeans. It also comes with a spreadsheet that has, I think, 200 brands alphabetized with the sell-through rates, the average sell prices for used, new, women's, men's, all broken down for you. It's color-coded so you can at a glance know everything that's highlighted in red is slow sell-through rates, yellow is medium, and green is fast. But it also comes with a pricing guide. And I do update my entire jeans guide, the spreadsheets, the pricings, the booklet. I update it every year so it's up to date. And I use this for myself too. I keep the pricing guide on my phone so when I'm outsourcing or when I'm listing, I can just kind of glance and see what's what. So these start at $25. The Levi's, so I'm looking at this and holding these. Let me talk about these first. These are men's Levi's 505s, 29 waist. That's a little small for men, but there are small men out there, right? Men need clothes too. The 505s for men's, I usually start around $35. Now that's all in. So they would be $35 free ship, $25 10 ship, $28 7 ship, however you want to break it down. These are new to me, red blue denim. But we'll find out when we go to work. These are the Levi's signature. I usually start these around 20 or 25, depending. These are a size 10, so then they're short. So I'll probably start these around 20. I like how she packs these in these bags. And these are, I should probably, there they are, put these on so I can see and not have a headache later. These are mid-rise, skinny, demi-curve, size 14. Probably start these around 25, 30 bucks. Got Old Navies. I start those always at 20. Men's at 25, women's at 20, and I add. If they're plus size, I add a couple bucks. If they're button fly, I add a couple bucks. If they're ripped or destroyed, I add a couple bucks. But my base price for Old Navies is 20. So for me, that's like 12 plus 8 shipping. If they're over a pound, if they're under a pound, I would do like 13 plus 7. These are kind of a poop brand, but I'll take them in a bulk buy. That's okay. Like if I got these in a throw up, I wouldn't be upset. I can list them for 20. They're junior size 1. So just like plus sizes on the other end of the spectrum, the very small sizes do well. It's the average middle sizes that aren't as sought after. They're easier to find. The women who wear the very small and the very plus sizes are the ones I cater to mostly on my channel. And I do well with both my channel. My stores were a sale. My throat is dry. Let me get a drink. But these are Lee. Everything's faded, so I'll just go by measurements, which is fine. You can do that with jeans. I start Lee around 20. I'm going to get a small sip of my Pepsi. I'm not sponsored by Pepsi, but if anyone from Pepsi is watching and would like to sponsor me, I will drink a can of Pepsi Max in every video moving forward in the future. I'll even make short videos and do pictures. But you got to send me free Pepsi Max. My favorite drink. I try to limit myself to just one a day in the afternoons. But I do love some Pepsi. Oh my goodness. If you've ever watched a video on this channel, you have probably heard me talk about jean shorts, specifically cutoffs and booty shorts, but even Bermudas and knee length and plus size. Jean shorts are their own category. You could have a brand. Let's use Celebrity Pink. It's probably one of the poopiest brands. You could have Celebrity Pink jeans, and you probably can't pay buyers to take them off your hands. But you could have Celebrity Pink jean shorts and sell them for $18 to $20. When women are shopping for their jean shorts, it's more about the look, the style, than the brand. They're their own entity. And denim jackets and overalls are the same. These are Forever 21. Poop brand, I'll list them for $20. These are Forever 21 jeans, but these are like an acid wash. So I can use keywords like 90s fashion, 80s fashion, retro, acid wash. You can learn all of that in my jeans book, by the way, too. But I'll start these around 20. This is some pants. Oh, Gloria Vanderbilt all around slimming effect, size 12. Typically with Gloria Vanderbilt, I don't like to source it unless it's size 14 or bigger, but these are like Bermuda short length, stretchy elastic waist, and the all-around slimming effect. $20 is what I'll start them at. Usually any jeans with any kind of slimming effect, lifting, sculpting, any of that you want to grab. These are Gloria Vanderbilt, another size 12, all-around slimming effect. These are full length, so I might list these for $25. Papaya. New to me. We'll have to figure that one out. Size 3. Oh, these are cute. So they're the small junior size brand, and they're flared. I have always done well with the flare jeans, but if you didn't know, ever since the Super Bowl, the halftime show, Kendrick Lamar wore flare jeans, and they have been, they're trending. Folks are shopping for those flare jeans. This is another pair of Forever 21, size 27. Now, these are just like more plain, smaller jeans. So I'll probably list these for like 20, maybe even just 18, but that's okay. They will sell. We got some more Old Navies. These are small. Good deal. Small sells fast. I'll list these for around 20. They're size 8. The 2 super low 524 jeans by Levi's. Probably around $30. And these look to be, yeah, they're size 1. So this is another really small size. That's nice. And they're the 2 super lows. I really like the 2 super lows. Do well with those. This is premium. I can't even read that. You know what? I'm just going to have to Google image it and have AI tell me what this is. But they're nice looking jeans, and they'll probably, unless they turn out to be something extraordinary, we'll start around 20. I got some more men's jeans here. Levi's 30 by 34. They're the Levi's 569. I do not have those on the list, which means these are new to me, and when I comp them, they will get added to my price list for next year's release. And Axis. I haven't sold any Axis in a long time. I used to source them on purpose, and they're not even on my list, so it must have been back when I first started reselling. But they are men's, so I'll probably start them at 25. regardless. And that is everything out of the box. So I'm going to be a little busy bee. I got some jeans. I got some plush. I got some jackets and bras that you saw in the other unboxing videos. I'm going to be busy. You guys should go be busy too. Go be productive. Go make some money. Leave any questions, comments, concerns you have down below about anything you saw in the video. Reselling jeans, reselling in general. Join my Facebook group. Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.